When we're considering drying off cows and we're deciding on the therapies we're going to apply, we go here to the ICBF homepage and we look at the profile relating to the dairy cow. Scroll down here to milk according SCC. It's a very useful tool in this application here under milk according and SCC. So for example, we have 105 cows in this particular herd here, and with it what we can do is we can choose we can select cows with a very low cell count if we're, say, for example, considering going to Selective Dry Cow Therapy. So what we might do is select the really lowest cows in the herd. So we'll go over here to current lactation and we top in 50,000 cells as the maximum, and we can see that of the cows that we filtered, we have 64 cows who have an average cell count in this particular herd of less than 50,000. And we can then filter those cows and just have a look around here and see, if we just flick through the most recent milk recording, there are a number of cows, even though the cell count is low, that had a high enough cell count in that last recording. So let's put down here, for this particular herd, put down 100 there. So the maximum cell count for those cows in the most recent recording is 100,000, and you can see it's down to 50. If we go back to the previous recording which took place in September, let's put in 100 there for those. We're down to 42. And we go to the previous recording for those in August, put 100,000 in there as the maximum. And we're going to go to the July recording and put 100,000 in there. That has us down to 35 cows now. And if you go back earlier again into the June milk recording, put 100,000 in there, and we're at 34. And we go to May of 2020 and put in 100,000 there. That brings us down to around 30 cows. So these cows are a group of really clean cows. You can see that the lactation number of them is obviously from 1 up to, there's even an 8th calver in there. Some of them will have received dry cow tube and sealer in the last lactation. Some of them are teat sealer only cows. And just to be doubly sure when we're starting off, let's put in a stringent average from the previous lactation of 50,000 as well. And that leaves us with 20 cows, 19 cows rather. And for someone starting off for their first time in using selective dry cow therapy, this might be as good a list as you could ask for when you're trying to consider going down this route. Get some really clean cows.